Hello friends. Now many my friends and students are asking that after coming in Germany, how to find a part-time jobs in a restaurant or a hotel or in a McD Burger King like that. So it is quite easy to apply and what is German language required or not. So today with me is Gautam and he is working in a McDonald's from past 6 months. So he have quite good experience in that. So ask him so how is work and what is required for that jobs. So Gautam, give your introduction.
Yeah, my name is Gautam. I am from India. I came here in the winter semester 2019 as a master student. I am working in the McDonald's in my city from December 2019.
Okay, it's quite long, 6 months. And how did you apply from official sites or you go directly and talk with that?
Yeah, firstly I browse in the Google like McDonald's or Burger Me or something, some kind of fast food restaurants. So I know little German as not as a good speaker. So in McDonald's, a lot of people speak English. So that's why I apply in the McDonald's.
Okay, like Gautam said, there is official side of like a McD and Burger King or in Pizza Hut or like that. So you can go directly and check it. There is a position for that for part-time job or not. So they will show you. And like he said, they don't require much German language, but if you have a basic knowledge, so you will get easily there. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
I personally recommended that you should have to learn at least A1 and A2 before coming here because it's much more helpful for you to find out the information not only in the part time but also to buy the our necessary things and also going to the city or whatever thing you are doing here.
yeah, it's German language is much important here. If you are doing your master or bachelor in English, even though German language is quite important, I will let you know and explain you this more about in next video. So in ask if you working, how many days you working per week, and
Yeah,
how much is they are paying for hours.
for master students, for any students coming here, they have like 120 full days and 240 half days as per government. So we can work as 20 hours per week, like 80 hours per month. So actually the pay is like standard, they follow their standards. I'm not going to say the payment details because they are paying their standard of pay according to the government
Yeah,
rules.
there is some they give the minimum 9 to 10 euros per hour. So you can work if you are student, you have 2 days free like a Saturday Sunday, or you can take other shift and you can work like a 10 hours or 20 hours per week. So after 20 hours, after in 1 month you will get around 700 to 800 euros. So that will be quite good income for you. So you can survive here in 500 or 600 euro in small cities, or in a big cities also it's like 100 euro more or less. So if you studying and doing work with this, so you can survive this. That is not a quite big deal. And so how is the workload? It's like you have to do really fast work and
Yeah, like in some McDs only we have only guest service, like only sitting area. In my McD, like we have drive and as well as sitting area. So somewhat it is task. So the task is very somewhat is challenging because many orders will be coming. If you are good at in the kitchen, they will place you in the first positions, like you are processing the burgers as fast as they they need. Their business is to be very fast. So like there is no need of thinking more about that. You can get the work by going there. Don't think about that much more.
yeah. And like if there is some position like in kitchen work or a cashier or a service, the first rule like that, if you know how to talk with customers, then you should know German language. So if your German language is better, so you can work in cashier or in service. So otherwise you have to work in a kitchen service area. So that is not quite a big deal for you. Just you have to work like
Yeah, the payment is same for everyone. Don't think like if you work in the front you'll get the more amount. Don't think like that. Everybody is the same as we can do. If you somebody is not there in the kitchen, you have to be work in the kitchen. If there is full of um, persons in the kitchen, you have to work in the front. Whatever the chef insisted, you have to work in that area.
So when are you applying? There is if you go directly on website and apply, and there is another way you can directly go and ask, because in every city there is a McD or Burger King or like a Pizza Hut or everything is available. So even in a small city that is available, so you can directly ask them. Even they don't position sometimes showing in online. And I think that if we apply in a food or a restaurant, we need a special document. So what is that?
In order to work in the food industry, you have to take the gastronomy certificate that will be available in the Gesundet office in particular city. You can go to the directly to the Gesundet office where you can get that certificate. It costs like between 25 to 30 euros. I don't know, I am in my city I have 25 euros. So you if you have that certificate you can work in the gastronomy area like food industry or the beach resorts like etc.
Like Gautam said, that this is the special card or special type of card. In that they describe that your health is good, so you can work in a food industry like in a bakery companies or in a restaurant, hotels, or a beach restaurants. So that is why you need this card. So that is given from your Gesundheit office, like a health office from your city. Yeah. And now thank you so much, Gautam, for your
Thank you.
valuable
Thank
time.
you. Bye.
And see,
Yeah.
yeah, much.